Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to add tax in Woocommerce. Alright, let's begin. First, log into your Woocommerce dashboard and go to Settings. Under the General tab, scroll down and check the box that says Enable Taxes and Tax Calculations. Click Save Changes. This action activates the Tax tab in your Woocommerce settings. Next, click the Tax tab. Here you'll find different tax classes, with standard rates being the most commonly used. Select standard rates or another class if it applies to your store. Then, click Insert Row to add a new tax rate. Start with the country code to define which country the tax applies to. For example, type US for the United States. If it applies globally, leave it blank. You can also specify a state code, such as CA for California. Add a zip code range or leave it empty for broader use. The city field is optional. Give your tax a name, then set the priority, choose if it applies to shipping, and decide if it should be compound. Finally, click Save Changes. So that's basically how you can add tax in Woocommerce. That's it for this video. Thanks.